Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel and School for Elders. Today we have professions of singing, dancing, and music. So, yes, how come this idea came to my mind? I was watching that movie Thappad. So, in that movie, when Tapsi Pannu returned to her home, so her mom says that अपनी बेटी को तो सितारा देवी बनाना चाहते थे और आपने कभी मुझसे पूछा मैं क्या बनना चाहती थी. It's actually a true story of every house. Our fathers always wanted us to be a superstar or maybe someone who will flourish, who will prosperous. IAS inspector, our daughter will never work. But yes, the lady who is at their home, that's also someone's daughter. Maybe her father also had certain wishes for her, so it's duty of her own children and her husband whom she is loving, whom she is uh, taking care of, right, day and night while working also. So what are her true wishes? Is she doing whatever is her current profession, is she doing for money, or is she happy, or she always wanted to do that? So if the answer is no, so please ask them and ask them to join the School for Elders, and they can enhance their skills, because whatever we wanted to become, we don't need to work that much on that skill. So anyways, here I would like to quote many examples. We all know Hema Malini ji, right? She is fantabulous dancer, and we all know she is above 60, 65. I'm not sure what is her exact age. And if she can do, anyone on this earth can do. And in music, in singing, we have n number of examples. Alka Yagnik ji, those who has crossed the age, still she is judging the contest, and if she wished to, she can sing also. And Lata Mangeshkar ji, she has also left singing on her own. There was no force that she should leave singing. She is fantabulous at this age also. So age is just a number. That's what I wanted to say. And these people can prove asset to our country, to our economy, to the world, and they can teach so much with their talent. They are not there just to take care of your kids. They are not there just to earn money for you, because now all of you are independent enough. Those whose parents are above 50 or so, right, they are independent enough, and they can handle their own self, even if not financially, but yes, physically they can handle themselves. And there are so many ways in which through which even a 6 or to 10-year-old kid can also earn money nowadays. So yes, rather than blaming on others, why can't we take responsibility like Anand Kumar, right, or like Idli Amma K Kamtalal? So that we can also support our economy, we can also contribute to it, and we should be highlighted for our good work, and we can get government support through our work, right? And we can take it as a global level. The world will look up to, rather than blaming. If we start working and start taking action for something, isn't it that great? Please comment, please mention everything in the comment section. That would be great. And if any more professions are coming to your mind for elders, please comment. It's my humble request, please comment, because the ones who are still alive, they are alive by infinite or divine intelligence. They are not at all vestigial bodies. They are not at all burden on anyone. We should not leave them in old age homes. We should actually take care of these vulnerable souls, those who feel that we should not live anymore. Why? They should live till their last breath, till the time they have on this earth. Prince Charles has been taken care so much that he survived till 99 years, right? So that's how, even if we have certain facilities, if we are following our inner purpose, inner desire, inner calling, then there is no age, right? So how can we change the neurons and neuroplasticity in 90 days? And why I am saying that I would really like to take up this project, and I really want to be a part of this project, I will explain it tomorrow, because there is certain research which has been done, through which we can prove, which has been proved that we can change the neuroplasticity of brain in 90 days. And 90 days is not that long period, right? So start practicing anything. They say you can change that in 90 days. So yes, So, School for Elders, today's profession. Please write in the comment section how did you like the idea, and see you till next video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.